sometimes. We're going to play a song called Labor Day here in a second. Ready? Yeah. I've been drinking every night, clocking hours past closing time. And I've been smoking when I wake, been nothing but Buffett since Labor Day. Lost in souls, crossed in exhausted mind. Keep living life, brother, I'll live mine. They say nothing's gonna change except the details of everything. Oh my God, good golly, Jesus Christ, I've got some friends, they need advice, but could you say some just for me when I'm living hard and feeling mean? Girls and money and fancy cars, guns and fun and old guitars. Well, I won't let them get to me when I'm living hard and feeling mean. Yesterdays are tales once told, and last charade's been bought and sold, but I still don't think twice. Oh my God, good golly, Jesus Christ. Oh my God, good golly, Jesus Christ, I've got some friends, they need advice, but could you say some just for me when I'm living hard and feeling mean? When I'm living hard and feeling mean, could you say some just for me? Got some friends, they need advice. Oh my God, good golly, Jesus Christ. Better when the wheat was green, green as anything you'd seen. She lost a friend, I lost my mind. Rock and roll, that bread and wine. Fields of green fade into gold, and days grow long and nights unfold. The smile back turns into love as the sun burns up above. But some will come and some will go. Seasons change and people grow. Dying shades begin to show as time starts to roll, like summer comes and summer goes. Summer winds, it spins and twirls, a cloudy head and a pretty girl, finding footing in this world. I gave my heart, I watched it soar, but I thought I found me a precious jewel. Didn't know a girl could be so cruel. Lessons learned, I do suppose, like summer comes and summer goes. But some will come and some will go. Sees the change in people grow, dying shades begin to show as time starts to roll like summer comes and summer goes. Some will come and some will go. Seasons change and people grow. Dying shades begin to show as time starts to roll like summer comes and summer goes. Feeling kinda down on love, never finding nothing new. Old time feelings brought by old time fun satisfies a shallow mood. Now it's been hot for 7 weeks now, love. Autumn sure ain't coming soon. She'll stay drinking on that wide-winged dove like she knows just how to do. I can't decide how to live my life, and I can't get by, heaven knows I tried. Graduation, Lord, it came and went, a pebble in the tide. If you hate me, then just leave, she says, every loving time. And she can't keep going on like this, lest she'll lose her mind. Kicks her feet up and she thinks of bliss, and takes a sip of wine. I can't decide how to live my life, and I can't get by, heaven knows I tried. Can't decide how to live my life, and I can't get by, heaven knows I tried.
If you're frightened easily, you might want to cover your ears. This is kind of a scary song. Ready?
There's something going on, and I don't like it, won't be good. Seems I need a rest for the hairs on my neck. And Mama says there's something evil lurking out in the sticks. Papa don't believe her, Lord knows I've seen it. If you wander in the woods, you best not mind go too far. There's a witch on the farm. You better watch yourself. I hear her out in the dark. Talk to the devil in hell. He was dead and I saw his symbols carved into the door. When Daddy called the law, Mama just prayed to the Lord. And it shakes the man of God, hearing all the folklore. If you wander in the woods, you best not go unarmed. There's a witch on the farm. You better watch yourself. I hear her out in the dark. Talk to the devil in hell. One night from a dream I had, but the nightmare wasn't over when I saw her at the foot of my bed. She started speaking evil, but this is what I said. And then I shot her with them 357 I keep under my head. If you wander in the woods, you don't need to be alone. There's no more witch on the farm. You ain't gotta watch yourself. I shot her straight through the heart and sent her right back to hell. Sober up, you stupid duck, you drunken clown, stop horsing around, we got a lot of things to figure out. Like, where's my El Camino? What did I consume? Why is there a hippie dancing in the laundry room? I do declare it's time to get some rest. After falling down the stairs, I think I found my bed. A common affair, a regular situation. I point a life I'd see once or twice and I hope I see again. Sleeping in jeans, spending my dime, losing my mind from time to time. When I come home real late at night, I leave the boots for tomorrow. I'm getting old for the rest of my life.
Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Sometimes it's yes, but it could be no. If you say I do, well, I guess I don't. But I will accept one more beer and one more smoke. Sleeping in jeans, spinning my dime, losing my mind from time to time. When I come home real late at night, I leave the boots for tomorrow.